Hello, so today we'll do some web scraping task, and what we'll scrap is we'll fetch the information about Elon Musk from a Wikipedia website, and we'll try to do is I'll inspect this page and would find the relevant tags which are carrying the information, like this T body tag. It is holding the full card of information, and inside there, if you look, we have this TH tag which is holding a kind of title of the information, like where he was born, citizenship, education, title, etc. And this TD tag is actually carrying the information. So what we'll do is we'll fetch the information and convert it into a pandas data frame, and we'll convert this T information of this TH tag in an index, and we'll convert the information of TD tag in a separate column. So let's start with our project. First, we'll import the required libraries. First one is BeautifulSoup, then we'll import request, then we'll import pandas as we want to convert our data in a data frame. Pandas is pd. Okay, so the libraries are imported, and now we'll call a variable URL which will hold the actual URL of the page, and we'll generate a response variable by requesting the URL or calling it. If we check the response variable, oops, so yeah, we got the response successfully. Now I'll create a soup variable. You'll use the beautiful soup. We'll fetch the text of the response. We'll call html.parser. If I look into the soup, so here we have the complete HTML of the page, and now from this soup we'll fetch the information for different tags. So let's say first we'll have the information for body T body tag. So what we'll say is we'll use soup dot find all. We'll use this find all function to find details about T body tag. You can use it to find information related to any tag. So we have this T body tag. If we see here, there are 24 T body tag, but we only want the first one. And two, we'll convert it in the list. Let's say just access right here. So I have accessed the first information of the first T body tag. Now I'm gonna save it under a, let's say, info variable. So we carry the information. Okay, cool. So now let's iterate this info I info. So this much information is there in the info variable. So now we are gonna find the th tag to fetch the information for our index. So what we're gonna do is we will say let's say info find all, find the th tag. Only, let's say what it gives to us. It gives the titles, like where he was born, what's his citizenship, education, title. So but we don't want the information in this manner. What we'll do is say, yeah, so I just remove the first element. Let me show it once again. This was unnecessary, this much thing. We just want the details below that, so just access everything from the first element. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the text function to only fetch the text from this th tag, which is born, citizenship, and education. So what it will give me, the detail, the information which I want. We'll store it in a details variable. Okay, so like this, we'll also create an info list which will actually carry the information. let's say I and info to find all, but there is TD. Strong, and I'll do the same. Lexus, everything from the first index. Let's say I the text. Okay, so got the information that we wanted. That text. We can observe one thing that we were having the text inside the th tag, but that's not the case with td tag, because you can see the tags inside the td tag are actually carrying the text information that we want, like name, where he was born, what's his age. So what we can do is we can use another function which is find children. Find find children. So now here we have the information. Let's this way. Okay. I think now we have the relevant information that we wanted. And store it in info list. I'm gonna remove the white spaces. I dot strip for I in info list and store it in info list again. It's kind of a modification of list. So now let's try to convert it in a data frame. It's like we're converting info list, and we'll have the index with the details list. We'll say the column name is info code. So we got everything inside a data frame, and we successfully fetched the information from this website. Define a df. Let's say df.head. So now we have the information like where he's born, what's the citizenship, just exactly in the same way on this Wikipedia website. So let's group everything inside the function. We'll define a function get html data to df. Quite a long name. You can use any name if you want. And we'll group everything that we have used inside this function. Sorry. Then we are called a soup variable. Created a soup variable. Then we created info variable. Capture the information regarding the t-body tag. Just skip this. So because the URL variable is already defined, so you can add comments so that it's easy to track what we did in each step. So here we generated a response, created a soup holding info of t-body t-body tag, first t-body tag, and created, oh no, this was not here, created a soup, We actually stored the first T-body tag details inside info, not in the soup. Created a info holding info first body tag. It's okay. We created a details list. We created an info list carrying the actual information. Then we removed the white spaces from the that info list. Then we finally created a data frame like indexes df. This was the actual info that we parsed, and here we remove the white spaces. This is our final data frame LTF. So let's make it look more neat. So, and if I return this TF, now if I use this function and we'll call the same URL, we'll have the data frame. So this was all a small project that I made. I hope you liked it, and if you find it informative, please like this video. It will really help me and encourage me to do more small projects like this. Yeah, thank you.